Hi, today I'm super excited to show you this new bread bag that I just got. Let's go ahead and open it. The fabric of this bread bag feels really nice and high quality. This bread bag is meant to keep your loaf fresh, and the best thing is that it fits all types of loaf. As you can see, it can fit any loaf that you want, any size too, because it is so big. Both of them are highly reusable, they're frizz-free, and you can clean them easily. So here I have a bread, and let's see how much this bread bag can fit. So as you can see, I put a really big bread in there and it still has a lot more space. And to seal it, you just have to fold it and clip it. Since it's a breathable material, it is perfect to keep your bread fresh, even in the freezer. If you like to bake, this wool cover is perfect for you. It is included with this product and it helps your dough be covered and protected while it rises. It is not only for bread, you can put fruits and vegetables here to keep them fresh also. You can take it to picnics, outside, or anywhere you want and it will keep them fresh. So as you can see, this product is very high quality, it is worth it to get, it will keep your bread fresh, and it also comes with a bowl cover. So don't waste your time and go buy one.